This is one of the coolest lunch boxes I've ever come across. Not only does my son love this brand, but this is really well made. Let me show you. To start off with, it has this great handle, and the handle has a clasp so you can hook it onto your backpack, and it clips easily. On the back, you have a label so you can put your name on it in case you lose it. It has this great elastic pocket, and on the front, it has this great zipper pocket as well. And then, when you open it up, it has a huge space here to fill however you need. You can add ice packs, you can add a mixture of food, or you can add bento boxes. This is very easy to clean, really nice surface. So here's an ice pack, and this is the largest bento box we have, and it fits just fine. As you can see here, there's still a fair amount of space. You could definitely add more in there if you want to. Another great bento box. Really nice to fit in, more space with that one. And in the end, it zips cleanly. Fantastic lunchbox.